Hey, I'm back. What's up? Please don't tell me that I look like shit because I spent 30 minutes doing this glam, so be nice in the comments, okay? Hello, beautiful people. It's Nour here. Welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? Today, as you guys know, it's a very special day to me. It's Tuesday, which means it's Tuesday Tips with Nour. So, guys, if you are new to this channel, hi, welcome, subscribe, please do it. Let me get you used to the concept of Tuesday Tips with Nour. Basically, every Tuesday I sit down and I make a short video, usually 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes long, where I share with you a quick tip about self-love, self-care, self-development, literally anything that can make you feel good and become a happy person, because you, honey, deserve it. Okay, let's go. So, today's video, as you guys can see from the title, is about something that I really love to do. It's something that I'm known for, which is organization and planning. I thought, why not share with you my tips and my talent, because obviously I'm very talented. So today I want to share with you my month planner and just trying to inspire you, get you in the mood of planning your month. I don't know if you do that already or not. I just wanted to share my own way of planning my month, like how I make my own month planner. I actually got inspired by Pinterest. I love Pinterest. I got inspired to make my own month planner. So I'm making this video not to tell you that my month planner is the best out there. I'm just sharing with you how I do my own month planner, and it's up to you to choose if you like it, if you don't, and you can take my personal month planner and you can add something to it, or you can keep it as it is. Moral of the story, it ain't no right. Sorry. Okay. It ain't no right month planner or wrong month planner. It's up to you to make the right for you, the right planner for you. So yeah, I hope you will get inspired by my own month planner. And if you want to know how I do plan my own month, so that you can plan your own month, then let's roll. Wait, okay. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. That was it, ladies and gentlemen. That was the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video, that you find it very helpful and obviously very entertaining, because that's the aim of this video and this channel in general. Anyway, as usual, because since I am now a YouTuber, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And of course, like, comment, all that, tra-la-la. And yeah, see you next time till I drop a new one. Bye!